Predator 212 or Honda clone camshaft installed. Just removed the governor. There's a million videos on here about how to do that, so I'm not going to show you that. But what I will show you real quick is you got your push rods. Took the camshaft out and these to remove the governor. You don't have to, but just makes it easier instead of having to watch them and they're all in your way and all that. Anyway, put these back in the holes. Simple. 2 holes. They're for your push rods. One there and second one here. Nope. Okay. Camshaft has a timing mark right there. Crankshaft has one, little dot right there. The main thing is make sure they line up. Also check your compression release. Make sure it's working. Okay, when you put this in, you want to make sure that them 2 dots line up just like that before you slide in your camshaft. If it'll cooperate for me. That's all you gotta do is make sure that they line up. That's not. It's hard to do this one hand. See, that's no good. It's going to take a couple times because these camshaft teeth are on an angle. It's hard to just slide it right in how you want to. You got to play with it a little bit until you get it just like that. That dot is for between them 2 teeth. That dot is on that tooth. Now that's holding them 2 caps I just put in there, whatever they're called. Now you want to come over here to your valves, take your push rods, slide them in, make sure they're clean. Now to put these on there, you're going to have to push down on this valve spring and pull this over top of your push rod at the same time. I can't do it one-handed, so, but that's, you know, you got the idea of it. Make sure you cut. If you're removing the governor, not everybody says this, cut this thing. This arm is going to be sticking in there and through this. All you gotta do is cut it. It'll pop right. It'll slide right out. But you have to cut it or it won't. It's too long to get out of there. Alright, hope this helps.